It is important to remind everyone that this method of practice can save countless, immeasurable sentient beings. However, according to the Buddhist definition of true existence, the existence of these sentient beings does not align with what Buddhism refers to as true existence. How should this be understood? The existence of sentient beings arises conditionally from dependent origination. It is subject to birth and cessation, and therefore it is not truly existent, but illusory. The term sentient beings is merely a provisional designation. From an absolute perspective, sentient beings do not exist. From a relative perspective, sentient beings exist only in a conditional, relative sense.